We have all seen the fanfare when an athlete signs a letter of intent to play at the next level. But today, across this country, thousands of SkillsUSA students are signing for the teams that will truly keep America running. This is SkillsUSA National Signing Day, the moment our students commit to pursuing the essential skill careers that sustain our economy. I'm Shelly Travis, SkillsUSA's Executive Director, and I can assure you that these students are the answer to the most pressing challenge facing our nation today, the skills gap. They aren't just filling jobs, they are pursuing high-demand, high-wage careers in sectors ranging from clean energy and advanced manufacturing to nursing and cybersecurity. When a student signs a letter of intent today, they are demonstrating more than just technical skills. They have learned the SkillsUSA framework, meaning they have the personal, workplace, and technical skills that modern industry demands. They are the most reliable, career-ready workforce in the world. Supporting SkillsUSA National Signing Day is a commitment to American competitiveness. It is an investment in a sustainable pipeline of talent that ensures our infrastructure is built, our technology is secure, and our communities are thriving. We aren't just celebrating a career choice today, we're celebrating the future of the American workforce. Let's join together to honor all of our SkillsUSA National Signing Day signers.